Hello, today I'm going to show you a nice comparison video about two nice devices. One, on the one side there is the Honor Magic 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S22. Which one should you buy? And of course, if you like a cheap device on the market, I think the Samsung Galaxy should be a good look for you. If you're thinking about upgrading from the Samsung Galaxy S22 to the Honor Magic 8 Pro, you're looking for nearly 4 years of smartphone evolution. While the Galaxy S22 was a premium flagship in 2022, the Magic 8 Pro brings the latest hardware, the AI features, the battery technology, and the camera innovation of 2026. So, is the upgrade worth it? Oh, let's find that out. The Samsung Galaxy S22 features a compact 6.1-inch design and that feels lightweight and comfortable in our hand. At just 170 grams around about, it is still one of the most pocket-friendly flagship phones Samsung has ever made. The Honor Magic 8 Pro takes a different approach with a large 6.7-inch display, the premium curved design, and an enhanced durability including the IP69 protection. Despite being the larger, of course, it still feels premium and modern as well. Oh, that means here the performance of it. The S22 uses the Exynos 2200 processor in many regions, while the Magic 8 Pro features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 chipset built on a much newer manufacturing process, of course. The result is faster app launches, better gaming performance, improved AI capabilities, higher power efficiency, better thermal management. So the clear winner is the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Oh, let's go to the camera battle. I think the Honor will be win. Because 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 200 megapixel periscope telephoto, 50 megapixel selfie camera or advanced AI photography features. Whoa. Ooh. The Samsung Galaxy S22 comes with a 50 megapixel main camera. Yeah. 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 10 megapixel selfie camera. The Magic 8 Pro 200 megapixel telephoto camera delivers significantly more zoom detail and a better low light performance. So, yeah, however, Samsung still offers very consistently image processing and video recording performance. Okay, the winner is the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Yeah, okay. Next thing, okay, battery. Bigger is better, of course, yeah. The Magic 8 Pro can easily last a full day and offers a much longer, while the S22 battery was one of its biggest criticism even when it was new. That means the Samsung Galaxy S22 was only 3,700 mAh. Wired charging 25 watt, wireless charging 50 watt. The Honor comes with over 6,000 mAh and 100 watt wired and 80 watt of wireless charging. So the winner is clear, the Honor Magic 8 Pro. And software and updates. Samsung Galaxy S22 One UI ecosystem, major software experience, excellent app compatibility. Yeah, but the Honor Magic 8 Pro makes it much nicer to look because it comes with Magic Operating System DEM based on Android 16. The AI-powered production fees is big with a lot of features. The Google services is full integrated and a long-term software app support will be 7 years plus. Samsung still has one of the Android's strongest software ecosystems, while the Honor focuses on AI features and customization. Some users, of course, prefer Samsung software because it is the root of it more, while other enjoys the Magic Operating System is more flexibilities. Yeah, so you can choose as you need it. But I think the Magic Operating System 10 looks really great, so it's better, I think. But this is up to you. That means the Honor Magic 8 Pro is a good smartphone for you. If you want a dramatically better battery life, you need a fast charging, you love the zoom photography, you want the flagship level performance, you want the latest AI features, but you can keep the Samsung Galaxy S22 if you prefer a compact phone, you love Samsung's ecosystem, and you currently device that meets your needs as well. So then Samsung Galaxy S22 was an excellent flagship in 2022, but the Honor Magic 8 Pro represents several generations of advantage. With a larger battery, faster charging, more powerful processor, and brighter display and a superior camera hardware, the Magic 8 Pro is the clear winner of the most users looking to an upgrade if you are preferring that. But if you need a cheaper phone, then of course the Samsung can be, but it is not a flagship anymore. So it's up to you, but I think the Honor is 95% on the winner there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.